What if I told you that you could create unbelievable art, compose original music, and have a world-class research assistant right in your pocket, all without paying a single dime? Well, that's not science fiction anymore. That's the power of AI. And in this explainer, we're going to show you exactly how to get started today.
Look, if you're feeling kind of lost in this sea of AI news, all the tech jargon and the endless new apps popping up every day, trust me, you are not alone. It's a lot, but today, we're going to cut through all that noise. We're going to give you a map to the exact free tools that can literally transform how you work and create, starting right now.
Because here's the thing. Powerful AI isn't some distant future thing. It's here, it's now, and it's more accessible than ever before. So think of this as your practical guide. By the end of this, you're going to have a whole toolkit of free AI apps you can use immediately. Okay, let's dive in. First up, let's talk about creativity. You know, for the longest time, making really high-quality art or music meant years of training or super expensive software. Well, AI is completely changing that game. It's turning your ideas directly into reality.
So, let me introduce you to your new art studio. It's called Leonardo.ai. Just imagine describing, say, a cyberpunk city street at dusk with neon signs reflecting in the rain, and then just getting a stunning, super detailed image back in a matter of seconds. That's exactly what this tool does. And yep, it has a fantastic free option.
So, what can you actually do with this? You can literally type a photorealistic image of an astronaut riding a horse on Mars, and poof, it'll create it. Or maybe you need a sleek, modern logo for a new project. You get a daily batch of free credits, which honestly is more than enough to create some amazing visuals for your social media, presentations, or just for the sheer fun of it. Alright, so from visual art, let's switch over to sound. Have you ever had a song idea, like a melody or some lyrics, just stuck in your head, but you have no clue how to actually bring it to life? You have got to see Suno. This tool lets you create a full, basically radio-quality song from just a single idea.
The whole process is, well, it's kind of magical. You just tell it the vibe you're going for, maybe an upbeat pop song about traveling through space, or a soulful blues track about your morning coffee. You can write your own lyrics or even let the AI write them for you. You hit generate, and within seconds, you have a complete song with vocals, with instruments, the whole thing. It's an incredible example of how AI can just completely remove the technical barrier to creating something cool.
You know, this quote right here really gets to the heart of it all. These tools aren't here to replace human creativity. They're here to amplify it. They're giving every single one of us who has an idea a brand new canvas and a whole new set of brushes to play with.
Now let's switch gears from creativity to productivity. How can AI help you work smarter, not harder, in your everyday life? Whether you're a student, you're at your job, or you're just trying to get organized, these next tools are absolute game changers.
Okay, we have to start with the one that most people have probably heard of, ChatGPT. The free version is just an incredible all-purpose tool. Think of it like a brainstorming partner that never, ever runs out of ideas, or a writing assistant that can draft an email in seconds, or even a summarizer that can take a super dense article and just boil it down to the key points.
But ChatGPT isn't the only player in the game. Google Gemini is another really powerful competitor. So, how do you choose? Well, here's a simple breakdown. When you need to create something new, like an email, a story, a list of ideas, ChatGPT is probably your best bet. But when you need answers based on the absolute latest information from the web, Gemini usually has the edge. It's all about picking the right tool for the job.
Now, if your main goal is research, there's a specialized tool you absolutely need to know about: Perplexity AI. It's designed from the ground up to be an answer engine, and it has one killer feature that really sets it apart from everything else.
And that killer feature is citations. When you ask Perplexity a question, it doesn't just give you an answer, it shows you its work. It gives you clickable links to the sources it used. This is a total game changer because it tackles that big problem of AI, hallucinations. You know, when an AI just confidently makes things up. For any student, researcher, or professional, this is an absolute must-have for getting trustworthy information.
And hey, productivity isn't just about writing. If you've ever spent hours just staring at a screen trying to find one tiny little typo in your code, you're going to love this. With a tool like ChatGPT, you can just paste your broken code, describe the error, and ask for a fix. It's like having a senior developer on call, 24/7, who never gets tired of your questions and will even explain what went wrong.
So, we've covered a lot. We've explored how to create art, make music, supercharge your research, and even fix code. Now let's bring it all together into your own personal AI starter kit.
This is it. This is your new toolkit all in one place. For stunning visuals, you've got Leonardo.ai. For original music, there's Suno. For writing and brainstorming, ChatGPT is your partner. For trustworthy research, Perplexity AI has your back. And for coding help, the major chat tools are ready to go. This is the foundation you can start building on like today.
Feeling inspired? Good. But please, don't try to master all of these at once. The advice is super simple. Pick just one tool from that list that sounds interesting to you. Just one. And then just commit to playing